In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit the App Store on your iPhone in just 5 minutes. Whether you're using an iPhone with Face ID or one that still has the classic home button, these steps are easy to follow and will clear the App Store from your running applications. Let's get started. First, let's focus on iPhones equipped with Face ID. If your iPhone doesn't have a physical home button, this is the section for you. To access the app switcher on these devices, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then pause. You'll see a little animation bringing up all the apps that are currently open. This is your app switcher, where you can easily toggle between applications or close them if needed. Now let's switch gears to iPhones with a home button. If you have an older model or one that still boasts this feature, you'll want to double click the home button instead. This action brings up the same app switcher interface as you'd see on newer models, displaying all the apps that are presently running. Once you've successfully accessed the app switcher, the next step is to locate the App Store card among your open applications. This card represents the App Store, and it's typically somewhere amidst all your running apps. If you have many applications open, you may need to swipe left or right to find it, so take your time and ensure you're selecting the correct one. Finally, it's time to quit the App Store. To do this, simply swipe the App Store card up and off the screen. This gesture will effectively close the App Store, removing it from the list of active applications. It's a neat little trick that can help free up resources and keep your phone running smoothly. And there you have it, a straightforward process to quit the App Store on your iPhone. Remember, whether your phone uses Face ID or a home button, accessing the app switcher and closing applications is a handy skill to have in your iPhone toolkit. Not only does it help manage your running apps, but also enhances overall device performance by ensuring that unnecessary applications aren't consuming valuable resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more practical iPhone tips and tricks. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.